Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two powerhouse motherboards, the ASUS Prime B550 and the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries. Get ready for some serious motherboard madness. All right, let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category, price. The ASUS Prime B550 comes in at $139, while the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries is a steal at just $119. It's like finding a pot of gold at the end of a rainbow. Now let's talk about compatibility. The ASUS Prime B550 is a match made in heaven for Zen 3 Ryzen 5000 and 3rd General AMD Ryzen CPUs. It's like the perfect couple that never argues. On the other hand, the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries supports AMD Ryzen 5000 and 3000 series desktop processors. But hey, it's not compatible with AMD Ryzen 5340G and Ryzen 3 3200G, sorry folks. Time to get connected. The ASUS Prime B550 boasts ultrafast connectivity with PCIe 4.0, 1 gigabit LAN, and dual M.2 slots. It's like having a rocket ship for your data. Meanwhile, the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries offers PCIe 4.0 and Lightning Gen 4x4 M.2 with M.2 Shield Frozer. It's like having the Flash as your personal data courier. Things are heating up in the cooling department. The ASUS Prime B550 comes prepared with a VRM heatsink, chipset heatsink, and hybrid fan headers. It's like having an ice bath for your motherboard. On the other hand, the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries brings the heat with a premium thermal solution, including a 7W MK pad and M.2 Shield Frozer. It's like having a personal air conditioner for your PC. Safety first, folks. The ASUS Prime B550 offers 5x Protection 3, including LANguard, overcurrent protection, and safe slot core safeguards. It's like having a bodyguard for your motherboard. Meanwhile, the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries brings the power with Core Boost and DDR4 Boost. It's like having a superhero protecting your PC from evil villains. Let's talk memory performance, shall we? The ASUS Prime B550 features ASUS Optimum proprietary trace layout for boosted memory performance. It's like giving your PC a brain upgrade, and the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries supports DDR4 memory up to a whopping 4400 OC MHz. It's like having a memory speedster inside your motherboard. Both motherboards have their strengths and quirks, but it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Stay tuned for more exciting comparisons, and remember, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why.